Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys the latest weekly boutique items, and I'll do a quick review on it. I don't think it's a set because I don't think everything here goes together. Select this button here, and as you can see there's this. I think this one's kind of like the complete set to the one before, the bow one, and then there's a glitter bow dress and ballet flats. So altogether they cost a lot. I can't count quickly. So I'm just going to purchase all these items. And don't forget that this will go on the weekly boutique shop again at the end of the month, I think. So it's going to rotate. I don't think the New Year's set will go on again, but here's the items that you can get. So I think this one's one whole set with these ones, I think, and this is just two of them. So this is what the items look like. I don't think this goes together, but let's just put it on. Oh, I really like these cuffs. Oh my gosh, I can't adjust it. Oh. Okay, but that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.